Shall discuss now about the differences between male and female cockroaches. So this is the diagrammatic representation of a male cockroach, and this is the female cockroach. And in both male and female, we can observe many differences, particularly in the abdominal region. In male cockroach, 9 abdominal segments are visible, but in female, only 7 are visible. The seventh segment in female cockroach, it is boat shaped along with the 7, 8, and 9. It forms a genital pouch or genital brood. And another main difference between male and female cockroach is that anal cerci are present in both male and female cockroaches, but anal styles are present only in the male cockroach and it is absent in the female cockroach. Anal styles are present in male cockroaches that arise from ninth segment. And anal cerci are present and it is common in both male and female cockroaches and they arise from the 10th segment. Okay, so with that we will discuss about the information now. The female's seventh sternum is boat shaped and together with the 8 and 9 it forms a brood called genital pouch. The anterior part of the genital pouch contains female gonopore, spermathecal pores, collateral glands, and posterior part constitutes the oothecal chamber in which cocoons are formed. So these are the structures present in the genital pouch or genital brood. So that is female gonopore, spermathecal pores, collateral glands, and posterior part of this genital pouch. It constitutes oothecal chamber in which cocoons are formed. That is to deposit eggs. In males, the genital pouch lies at the hind end of the abdomen, bound dorsally by ninth and 10th terga and ventrally by ninth sternum. Hope you understand about terga and sterna. Terga refers to the dorsal plates and sternum refers to ventral plates. Sterga is plural, sternum is singular, and sterna is plural and sternum is singular. And it contains the dorsal anus and ventral male genital pore. In both the sexes, genital apertures are surrounded by sclerites called gonophysis. So this is a chart to show the differences between male and female cockroaches, and these are the characteristic features. And for example, abdomen in male cockroach is long and narrow, but in female it is short and broad. Segments, abdomen 9 segments are visible in male, but in female it is only 7. So please go through this; you will understand about the differences between male and female cockroaches. So male bears a pair of short and slender anal styles in the ninth sternum which are absent in female. In both the sexes, 10th segment bears a pair of jointed filamentous structures called anal cerci and also bears a sense organ that is receptive to vibrations in air and land. So, in both the sexes, a pair of a sense organ that is receptive to vibrations in air and land. So, they can sense the sense organ present in both the male and female. They receive the vibrations which occur on land and also in air. The seventh sternum of male has a pair of large and oval apical lobes or gyno-ulvular plates and which form a keel-like structure which distinguishes the male from the female. This is also another difference between male and female cockroaches. Seventh sternum of male has a pair of large and oval apical lobes called gyno-vulvular plates which form a keel-like structure that distinguishes male from female. So this is about digestive system. Digestive system of cockroach consists of alimentary canal and digestive glands. So cockroach has a digestive system which is not so elaborate, but it has got a alimentary canal and digestive glands. The alimentary canal is present in the body cavity and it is divided into 3 regions or 3 divisions: foregut, midgut, and hindgut. Foregut includes preoral cavity, mouth, pharynx, and esophagus. So, foregut includes the parts preoral cavity, mouth, pharynx, and esophagus. This in turn opens into a sac-like structure called crop, which is used to store the food. So this is the diagrammatic representation to show the digestive system of cockroach. So here from this diagram we can understand only the presence of salivary glands, and this is pharynx. Pharynx open into esophagus. Esophagus opens into this enlarged structure or bulge structure called crop, and crop is used to store the food. And it is followed by a part which is called as gizzard. And gizzard, it is useful in grinding the food. It has got chitinous plates, which are called teeth, so which are present in the gizzard. So these teeth help in grinding the food. So crop is to store the food, and gizzard, with the help of teeth present inside it, it can help in grinding the food. So this is the midgut, followed by foregut. This is midgut. It is a shorter one, and between the gizzard and this midgut, we can find some finger-like projections, and these are called hepatic CK. This hepatic CK also secretes some enzymes that help in digestion. So this is about midgut, which is also called mesenteron, and it is followed by hindgut. Hindgut, it has got some processes which are called as Malpighian tubules, and these processes are present between the midgut and the hindgut. And these Malpighian tubules, they help in excretion, removing waste from the hemolymph. And this part is hindgut. Hindgut is again divided into ileum, a shorter portion, colon, and rectum. So hindgut is divided into ileum, colon, and rectum. So this is about the digestive system. So if you know the diagram, it is very easy to understand the information. You can remember the points also. So digestive system is divided into foregut, midgut, and hindgut. So we discussed in detail about what are the parts that are included in foregut and midgut and hindgut. So we will discuss now in detail about this digestive system. So crop is followed by gizzard or proventriculus. This gizzard, it is also called as proventriculus, and it has an outer layer of thick circular muscles and thick inner cuticle, forming six highly chitinous plates called teeth. These teeth are useful in grinding the food particles. So the midgut is a short and narrow tube, and it is behind it, it is a gizzard, and it is glandular in nature. So midgut is a short and narrow tube, and behind this midgut is a gizzard. It is glandular in nature. At the junctional region of the gizzard are eight finger-like tubular blind processes, which are called as hepatic CK or enteric CK. The hindgut is marked by presence of 100 to 150 yellow-colored thin filamentous Malpighian tubules, and these tubules are useful in removing the excretory products from the hemolymph. The hindgut is broader than the midgut, and it is differentiated into ileum, colon, and rectum. The rectum opens outside through the anus. Okay, so in the next class we'll discuss about respiratory system. Before that, along with the digestive, that is alimentary canal in the digestive system, digestive glands are also present. This is what I discussed earlier. It's about the salivary glands which are present along with hepatic CK. So, cockroach digestive glands in cockroach consists of salivary glands and the glandular cells and hepatic CK. Hepatic CK are present, that is to secrete some enzymes that help in digestion. Apart from it, this pair of salivary glands are found on either side of the crop in the thorax. The glandular cells of the midgut and hepatic and or gastric CK produce digestive juices. So the glandular cells of the midgut and hepatic or gastric CK produce digestive juices. Okay, so with that, in the next class, we'll discuss about respiratory system. Thank you.